Do you know how you can convert tiny scientific units like picometers into centimeter in just few clicks inside Excel? So today I will show you the simplest method that even beginners can follow. So how you can do in Excel, you need to put the equal sign and use the convert function and open the bracket. And here is the picometers. You just need to select the cell's reference and click comma and double quote. And since you are converting picometer to centimeter, you need to use abbreviation PM for picometer and double quote comma and double quote, and the centimeter abbreviation is cm double quote and close the bracket and hit enter. And here you need to increase the decimal to see the results, and just simple use the fill handle to drag the other values. And here you can see that this simplest formula shows how you can convert picometer to centimeter in Excel. Now you have learned the fastest way to convert picometers to centimeters in Excel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart Excel tips.